Monday. That means this Monday, next Monday, last Monday, Monday, Wednesday. Monday, Wednesday. Who comes here? Who comes here? Does Neil come every time? Does Anandita come every time? Then who comes? What is so difficult about this? Who comes always? Who comes to Alka teacher's house every Monday, every Wednesday?
Chaitrali.
Chaitrali. Chaitrali is here. You're not thinking. Just. And who? Yeah. Suvarna doesn't come now. Yes, Suvarna used to come. Yes. Very good. Yes. Come to your house. Come on, say the whole thing.
Ritik and Suvarna and Pisha and Adisha
Came nahi. Always come. This is called the habit. Always come.
Always come to teach your house
On
Monday and Wednesday
at what
5
time?
o'clock.
That's right.
In the evening.
In the evening. That's true. Not in the morning. AM. I asked a question and you gave an answer. You did not give an answer because I think you did not understand the question. No, you didn't understand. That is why you are making mistakes. Doesn't matter if you don't understand. It's okay to say, I didn't understand. I will explain. It's okay to make mistakes. You don't have to know everything. Previously it was Thursday. Now Prisha is going for the dancing class. My mother told me that Prisha is going for the dancing class.
My mother told me that Peter
Is going to
dance on Thursday.
Yes, that is why we have this.
Tuesday.
And Tuesday? Oh, but on Tuesday you don't come here, so that's all right. Okay, so every time, every Monday, every Wednesday, you come and Aditya comes. But today, who has come? Today,
Me and
Anandita and Didi. Anandita, she's got such a nice name. What is your name? Anandita. Very nice. My name.
and Steve
And
Auntie
who's she?
Neil's mother.
Neil's mother and
Ananda's
Anandita's
mother. Anandita's mother
have come.
have come.
They don't come every time. Only today they have come. So somebody who doesn't come every day, who comes only once today they have come, we call them guests.
Yes.
Guests.
Yes.
Guests. Like your guests, guys. In your house. What does she call her auntie in Bombay?
Now Bua Dadi has come, no? Bua Dadi has come. She's a guest.
In Daddy house.
Bua Dadi has come to Dadi's house. She doesn't stay there all the time, does she? Bua Dadi, does she stay in Dadi's house all the time, every day? No.
She will go away on Friday. She came on
No,
a...
listen
yeah.
to me. Now this
Yes.
also explain to them. Does Bua Dadi always live in Dadi's house? Yesterday she was there. Was Bua Dadi there yesterday?
Yes.
Last week was she there?
No.
No, then she doesn't live there all the time. But Dadi was there, na? Isn't it? Last week, Bua Dadi was not there in Dadi's house. Okay? And then maybe after February is over, she'll go back again. So she is a guest.
Yes.
Yes. Who's her aunt who she remembers?
Bua,
She came.
Bua also comes, no?
Bua, your Bua. She came.
Tai came.
Tai came here. She doesn't live in your house every day. Now she's gone back again. She came. She stayed with you. And then she went back. So she is a guest. Your Tauji, your Masi.
Now she also coming.
Yes, come. comes and goes back. So she's a guest. Your daddy is also like a guest these days.
Yes.
Isn't it? That is a guest. So you must increase their vocabulary. G-U-E-S-T, guest. And you must use it at home. Guests have come. Aditya has not come. Is and has. Make a difference.
Teachers has not come today
Because he
our teachers
has
got a cough.
cough. That is why he has not come.